So welcome. Gaussian elimination method is a very simple method for solving for values of unknowns in a simultaneous equation. So let us look at this stepwise. We first write the Gauss matrix, which we simply pick the coefficients for x and y. So that is 1 for x, 3 for y, and then 3 for x, and 2 for y. Then this equals to 9, 13. For this Gauss matrix, we have the left hand side and the right hand side. So what we need to do is to make the left hand side be an identity. So make left hand side be identity matrix, i.e. that is 1 0 0 1. So what do we need to carry out to ensure that on our left hand side we have an identity matrix? We will apply the operations for the rows, and that is for 1 3 9 3 2 1 3. We take the second row, we make it, we simply need to ensure that this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, and this is 1. So we take row 2 to be equal to row 2 minus 3 row 1. So this results to 1 3 9 for row 1, but for row 2 we have 3 minus 3 row 1. So that is 3 minus 3 times 1, and that gives us 0. Then we have 2 minus negative 3 times 3. So that gives us 2 minus 9, which is negative 7. The same applies for this. 3 minus 3 times 9. So that is 13 minus 27. That is negative 14. Then we apply another operation, that is row 2 equals to 1 over 7 row 2 itself. So we multiply it by a scalar. So we'll have 1 3 9, and here we have 0, then we have negative 1, and then negative 2. So we can continue further and apply another operation that makes row 1 look like this. Row 2, let us work on row 2 first. This is a negative, but we need a 1 here. So what we simply do, we multiply row 2 by a scalar, which is negative 1. So then that means we'll have 1 3 9 0 1 2. Then we say row 1 equals to negative 3 row 2 plus row 1. So that is 1 negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Then we add it to 3, that is a 0. Then negative 3 times 2 is negative 9. Sorry, it's negative 6 plus 9. So that is 3. And then we have 0, 1, and this is 2. So we said when we make the left hand side an identity, what remains on the right hand side is our solution. So 3 is the solution for x, and 2 is the solution for y, and 2 is the solution for y, and this simply means that x is 3, y is 2. So you can substitute back in the equation and test, see